Let's do a horn test. Let's put it in sport. Oh wow, that is very responsive. Oh wow, that's so cool. Hey guys, here we have the BMW i4, the German brand's latest iteration of an electric vehicle. This one is based off a 4 Series. We can see that it still retains some of BMW's design traits, like the L-shaped tail lamps. We have i4 badging right there, and an indication that this is an electric BMW is that it will have blue accents throughout the vehicle. We can see that the door handles are now flush with the body for more aerodynamics. We can also see a side blade right there with the blue accent, and overall the wheels are also designed for efficiency. We can see that it has BMW LED headlights, and the large kidney grills are actually covered. There's no grill here, and we can actually hear the batteries or the aircon cooling. It is a very handsome car. So let's check the boot of the i4. It is a hatchback, as with the previous 4 Series Grand Coupe. So you can see that underneath it has more storage space. It has run flat tires, so you have more cubbies on the sides. You can fold down the rear seats, and it is a powered tailgate. This is the charging port, so it opens automatically. You have your AC and DC charging there as well. Frameless windows, which means when you unlock the car, the windows will go down slightly. So back seat, I have this amount of space, fairly great. I have space for my foot. Now this is set to my comfortable position sitting on the front, and here we can see the dash has that latest BMW eDrive right here. Very minimalistic and sophisticated. Overall the materials feel nice to the touch. You have nice headliner as well. I have this amount of headroom though, but yeah, you can seat 5 people back here. Cup holders right there. Let's go ahead and take it for a drive. So put the foot on the brake and push this blue start stop.
Yes.
Let's turn on the air conditioning.
Choose the blower.
The materials feel nice to the touch. You have capacitive touch buttons right here. Okay.
So you just have to push down. We call this, by the way, the toggle switch.
Oh, okay. So it's not a gear selector anymore, just a toggle switch.
Yeah. So you just have to push down for drive, then up for reverse.
Okay.
Then for neutral, just 1 step down. Then for park gear, just press this one, P.
Got it.
Then hand brakes are what we call the electronic parking brake.
Yes.
So to engage it, you just pull it. So you have a red indicator. Then to disengage, just push.
And you also have your driving modes for
Yes.
Sport,
Comfort,
and Eco Pro. You also have, when you put it in reverse, a backup camera.
360 for parking sensors. And reverse camera only. It's
Is the screen
14.9.
Wow, that's 14.9 inches for both of these screens, or just
this one, sir.
Wow.
Then this one has a 12.3 inches.
Wow. And your light switches are right here, all LED. You have your SOS button right there as well. Auto dimming rear view mirror. The rear visibility is quite small because of the window, but you know, this is a coupe, it's a sporty vehicle, and that's what you get. The steering wheel is a 3-spoke design with leather stitching and leather wrapped. Let's do a horn test. Very premium. So here's the key for the car. You have your unlock. The BMW is actually the lock button. Then the trunk release button. It's a nice key. It feels premium and nice to the touch. Okay, so let's put it right here. Oh, you have wireless charging right here for your phone and a USB A input. The storage for the center console. You have Type-C charging there. It is nicely illuminated as well and padded. Fairly nice size. And let's go ahead and take this car for a drive. So let's put it in drive. Okay. So auto hold holds the brake for you so that You don't have to put the car in neutral. This silver panels that when the sun hits it can be a little distracting. Or you can just open it. This one has the iDrive 8.
8.5.
Okay, 8.5.
It's the latest.
So this one has Apple CarPlay or
Yes, sir. It's
okay.
wireless.
Wireless
Apple
and Android
CarPlay,
Auto.
yes. And it also has the BMW connected drive. So
Okay.
we have mobile services. You can use it.
Sa app.
Yes, app.
Mm.
Have access to features. Yeah.
Okay. So with that you can diba, turn on the car like
No.
remotely? No, not yet.
You can open the windows,
Mm.
honk the horn,
Okay.
unlock or lock the doors.
NVH is quite good. There's not much road noise going inside the cabin. Let's put it in sport. Oh wow. That is very responsive and instantaneous. I did not expect that because in comfort, like light throttle inputs, power delivery is linear, but in sport it's just woof. And you have a parang sound,
Yeah, call it
coming-
iconic sound.
iconic sound.
Very engaging, actually.
Is this the sound that was designed by
Hans Zimmer.
Hans Zimmer? But this is an electric vehicle, so it's so silent. It's actually planted on the road really well.
Yes.
I also love the steering feedback. That is so addicting. How many horsepower does this have in torque?
286 horsepower and 400 newton meters of torque.
Ooh, that instant torque is just very addicting. And what's nice about it is that it's fast and it's also very engaging to drive. Like the steering feel, it's nicely weighted.
very
The
common.
brake, it feels like a normal car.
Yes.
It doesn't feel like any other. Parang it doesn't feel different because since it's an EV, it has a brake region and everything. We set it to low, and it drives like a normal car. It's not very intrusive. I'm also impressed with the traction. There's not much, drama. Like it feels so planted,
Yes.
And being rear-wheel drive, you still get that sensation that you're being pushed. Plus the sound, it adds to the experience. So let's put it into Eco Pro to maximize, all of the efficiency of having an electric vehicle. So if you press this button, you can change the content. So here we can see our speed, front and center. We have our compass. You even have a G-force meter. So this is the live view you were telling me,
Yes.
no, now you can see the turn signals. That's so cool. And you can, para siyang video game, ah.
Yes. Try turning the wheels.
Oh wow, that's so cool. So with this one, you can actually see your car here. And it's nice na it's in the same spec as with the actual car. It's in white. Yeah, it's a very engaging drive. I wasn't, parang expecting it to be that. You really have to experience it for yourself. Okay. So to park it, there you go. Oh, so I pressed yung mga buttons there.
No worries.
It's very sensitive pala. There. Now, this may not have a 360-degree camera, but the parking sensors are helpful enough. And the side mirror automatically dips down when you put the car in reverse. So just to turn it off, you press this button.
Yes, sir.
And you also have a chime parking brake. Right, guys, that was a drive of the BMW i4. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel to be notified once I upload a new video. This has been TJ. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.